Two AI giants. Two different philosophies. One question. Which model is better, GPT-4 or Claude 3.5? If you've ever wondered which of these AIs is right for you, or your business, this showdown is for you. Welcome to AITHORITY, your source for smart, accessible breakdowns of today's most powerful AI tools and trends. In this episode, we're diving into a head-to-head comparison between the two biggest players in the AI space right now. GPT-4, built by OpenAI, the model powering ChatGPT+, Copilot, and integrations across Microsoft 365. And Claude 3.5, from Anthropic, the rising star praised for its reasoning, reliability, and surprisingly human tone. We'll compare both models across 5 key categories: general reasoning, creativity, safety and transparency, user experience, best use cases, and then we'll crown a winner. Let's get into it. Reasoning and accuracy. When it comes to reasoning, logic puzzles, math, and following complex instructions, both models are elite. But Claude 3.5 has pulled ahead in recent tests. According to benchmarks from 2025, Claude 3.5 outperforms GPT-4 in multi-step reasoning challenges and complex planning tasks. Claude tends to hallucinate less. That is, make up wrong or invented facts. GPT-4 is still strong, especially with internet-connected tools and plugins, but it's occasionally more verbose or less accurate in high-stakes logic problems. Winner. Claude 3.5 creativity and language generation. Now let's talk tone, writing, and creativity. GPT-4 is still the king of stylistic variety. It adapts to tone better, it writes dialogue, stories, and ads with more personality, and it integrates with tools like DALL-E, Bing, and Copilot. Claude is cleaner and more structured, but GPT-4 has a clear edge for people working in content, copywriting, storytelling, or brand voice work. Winner. GPT-4 safety, ethics, and transparency. Here's where Anthropic's Claude models shine. Anthropic was founded around the idea of AI alignment and constitutional AI, a framework that makes the model's reasoning and ethical choices more transparent. Claude 3.5 refuses unsafe prompts with clearer explanations, offers rationale behind its answers, trained with stronger focus on avoiding bias or harmful language. GPT-4 is still safe, but its refusal behavior can feel inconsistent, and it gives less explanation when it declines a task. For enterprise teams, legal, education, and sensitive domains, Claude may be the safer bet. Winner. Claude 3.5 user experience and interface. This one's close. GPT-4, through ChatGPT+, has the most feature-rich experience in 2025. Code interpreter, DALL-E image generation, custom GPT's memory and prompt history. Claude 3.5's UI, via Claude.ai, is minimalist and clean, but lacks the plugin ecosystem and tool switching power. If you want an all-in-one workspace, GPT-4 wins on features and polish. Winner. GPT-4 best use cases for each. Let's break it down by use case. Use case. Business writing. Best model, Claude 3.5. Coding help? GPT-4, especially with code interpreter. Financial modeling? Claude 3.5. Content creation. GPT-4. Legal summarization? Claude 3.5. General research, exploration? GPT-4, with browsing. Executive communication. Claude 3.5. Creative storytelling. GPT-4. Risk-averse enterprise use? Claude 3.5. AI for Microsoft products. GPT-4, Copilot. The bottom line? Claude 3.5 is more precise and measured, while GPT-4 is more expressive and flexible. What's coming next? Both companies are moving fast. OpenAI is rumored to be working on GPT-5, expected to be more multimodal and personalized. Anthropic is exploring Claude 4, with better memory and deeper reasoning in 2025. We're also seeing smaller open-source models that are catching up quickly, like Mistral, Llama 3, and Command R. For now, though, GPT-4 and Claude 3.5 remain the two best general-purpose AI models available, and most tools you use today run on one of the two. The verdict, so, who wins? It depends on what you value most. If you want creative power, maximum features, and integrations, GPT-4 is still the top pick. If you care more about clean reasoning, safer outputs, and accuracy, Claude 3.5 pulls ahead. But if you're asking which is more dependable, consistent, and enterprise-friendly right now, overall winner, Claude 3.5. The AI race isn't over, but right now, Claude 3.5 and GPT-4 are leading the pack. They're built differently, trained differently, and perform differently depending on what you ask. Whether you're a solo creator, a small business owner, or an enterprise exec, the best model is the one that helps you get more done, safely, quickly, and intelligently. Subscribe to AITHORITY for weekly head-to-head comparisons, new tool breakdowns, and the most practical AI insights on YouTube. Drop a comment. Which model are you using, and why? And in our next video, we're taking it visual. Can Sora really create film-quality AI video from just a prompt? You won't want to miss it.